Let's start. Today's theorem is cyclic quadrilateral. First of all, we will learn the define of cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means if all vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same circle, then it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. After that, its theorem. Theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Theorem we have given like a first statement 1. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So first, as a given us statement, we have given here a diagram. We have constructed a diagram. One circle with center O and one quadrilateral is there. So the quadrilateral, we will give its notification here. Now we have given the notifications to diagram A, B, C, D. Then now see, as we have learned in previous theorems and points, as a arc and inscribed circle, everything correct. So now you know very well about it. If we see, first of all, if we join a line BD, correct, then see, by the segment BD there are two angles are inscribed from this arc, BAD and BCD. So we can write here, first of all we have to write what we have to prove. We have to prove opposite angles of a quadrilateral are supplementary. If we consider, first of all, angle ABAD plus angle angle BAD plus angle BCD. These two angles are opposite to each other. Okay, is equal to 180 degree. So we have to prove like this: angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. See, you can see in the diagram, angle A and angle C both are opposite angles to each other. So we have to construct segment BD. After that, to prove, what we have to prove? Then see, first of all, by the segment BD, there are two angles are inscribed, and those both angle are inscribed angle are equal to each other. It is first condition. Later that, measuring angle by inscribed the arc, both are half of the angle. So now see, if we consider now, you can see easily here angle BAD, it is a inscribed angle by inscribed the arc BCD. So we can use here the inscribed angle theorem. So we can write here angle BAD is the half of the arc measuring arc BCD. So if we consider it is equation first, same another if we see here in diagram angle BCD, it is also half of the measuring angle BAD. So now we can write here angle BCD angle BCD is equal to half of the measuring arc. Which is the measuring arc? BCD angle means this angle, its measuring arc inscribed angle is BAD, this arc. So we can write here arc BAD. We can give it equation number 2. Later, now you can see here carefully which we have learned in previous inscribe angle theorem. By the inscribe angle theorem we have written the above two equation. By inscribe angle theorem. By inscribe angle theorem we have learned it. Means its meaning is by inscribe angle theorem equation first and second. First and second. So now if we add equation first and second, then what will happen? See, add equation first and second, then what is equation first? Always we are adding the left hand side and right hand side. So if we add the left hand side, then left hand side will become angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to, what is the right hand side? Half of the measuring arc BCD plus half of the measuring arc BAD. So now you can see in the rightward side both has the half is the common. So if we take half common, then what will become here? If we take half common, then in remain measuring arc BCD plus measuring arc BAD. So now you can see here in this bracket arc BCD plus arc BAD, both are two arcs of a circle. BAD, it is a upper arc, and BCD, it is a lower arc, and if join both arc to each other, then it happen the complete circle. And we know very well the complete circle angle is how much? 360 degree. Then we can write here half of the angle into measurement of complete circle arc is 360 degree, and if they are 360 degree, then if we divide by 2 to 360, then it become 180, then is equal to 180. Now you can see the rightward side is the 180 and leftward side has the sum of two angles, and it's proof the sum of two angles is always how much? 180 degree, and those are opposite angle of a quadrilateral. And now we have proved our statement, and by this it has proved. I hope do you understand this theorem, because it we have proved here. If you want its screenshot, you can take its screenshot.